today we will be learning division in jugs and mugs. This is our new topic today. Jugs and mugs division. Now, as you have seen, what we did, we usually during division, what do we need to do? We need to change it to milliliter or the smaller quantity in order to divide it. Now let us see a few word problems. First question: Anil had 6 liters of mango juice. He distributed it in 3 bottles. Anil had 6 liters of orange juice. He distributed in 3 bottles. Find the quantity of juice poured in each bottle. Find the quantity of juice poured in each bottle. Now, here one thing I need to mention: 3 bottles equally. That means equal distribution has been made for each of the 3 bottles. Let me read out the question once again. Anil had 6 liters of mango juice. He distributed it in 3 bottles equally. Find the quantity of juice poured in each bottle. Now, as you can see, here the quantity given is 6 and it has been divided by 3. Since 3 is a factor of 6, so the calculation will become much easier. We move to the next board for the solution. We write total quantity of juice this is 6 liters. Number of bottles this is 3. Hence we will write quantity of juice poured in each bottle. So the quantity of juice poured in each bottle, how will it be given? We divide 6 by 3. Finally we get 2 liters. Here you don't need to do calculation, since you know the tables of 3, and as 6 is a very close multiple of 3, you can find out like this. Once again you write the statement: quantity of juice poured in each bottle is 2 liters. Let us see the solution once again. So the solution will begin like this: total quantity of juice is equals to 6 liter, number of bottles equals to 3, quantity of juice poured in each bottle 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2 liter. Final statement: quantity of juice poured in each bottle is 2 liter. Now we move to our next question. Question number 2 for today. Anita is selling lemonade. Lemonade is sweet lemon juice sold. So Anita is selling lemonade. She prepared some quantity. She prepared 8 liters of lemonade. She poured 250 ml of lemonade in each glass. Find number of glasses he sold. Let us look at the question once again. See that Anita is selling lemonade. She prepared 8 liters of lemonade. She poured 250 ml of lemonade in each glass. You have to find number of glasses she sold. Number of glasses she sold. So, in order to do this particular type of sum, we have to convert the quantity in liters to milliliters. We'll begin our answer like this. Total quantity of lemonade prepared equals to 8 liter equals to 8000 ml. First of all, we will convert it into milliliters. We will give the reason also. Formula 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. Now she poured 250 ml of juice or lemonade in each glass. So quantity of lemonade poured in each glass. Quantity of lemonade poured in each glass will be given by 250 ml. Now 250 ml is poured in each of the glasses. So now we can find out number of glasses she sold. Total quantity, when we are dividing the total quantity by the quantity of lemonade poured in each glass, we are getting the counting of how many glasses were sold. So we divide 8000 by 250. Now what do? We move two boards further. (25 into 3, 75). So 250 into 3 will become 750. Put down the 0. Put 2 in quotient. 32. So we got here 32. Final answer we'll write in this board. Number of glasses she sold equals to 32. Let us take a close look. Total quantity of lemonade prepared is 8 liter, which means we convert it into milliliter. Why do we convert it into milliliter? Because the quantity of lemonade that can be poured in a glass is given in milliliter. So it will make our calculation much more easier. So 8 liter becomes 8000 ml. Now quantity of lemonade poured in each glass we have mentioned already, 250 ml. Coming to the third board, number of glasses she sold is 8000 divided by 250, that gives us 32. Number of glasses she sold is 32, and finally the calculation is given over here. Now after today's video is over, a few homeworks will be given. Please note them down. Divide 6 liter 600 ml by 12. Question number 1. Question number 2. Divide 4 liter 200 ml by 8. So these will be your two homeworks. Divide 6 liter 600 ml by 12 and divide 4 liter 200 ml by 8. Please solve them. Thank you for the class.